Here's how to create 3 great marketing videos to promote your business with very little effort in this 60-second video marketing tip. Now, sometimes the road from I ought to do a video to I did a marketing video is a little bumpy. And the biggest bumpy being video about what? Now, unless you have a burning desire and some great inspiration, it's easy to get stuck. Don't do that, do this. Here's a simple solution. Repurpose your old blog posts using just the 3 most popular, most impactful, most meaningful to you blog posts. Use those to make 3 great marketing videos. Use them to be the basis of your videos, right? You don't want to read the blog post as a script because our speaking words are different from our typing words. But you can pull some bullet points from the posts so you hit the same themes in a different, fresh and repurposed kind of way. Now, since the blog posts that you're going to be working with are meaningful to you, it's likely you know the material, so the information is all right here in your head, ready to go, almost on the tip of your tongue. So just think through it a little bit. Jot down a few points, then press record and let it flow into a video. Nice and easy. This accomplishes several things. Your marketing content, your marketing video content, now is consistent and congruent with what you do, with what you sell, and what you talk about on your website, which the search engines appreciate. You've now also got content on a familiar topic that you can post as a video to YouTube and as many social media platforms as appropriate, linking back to your website from every social media platform. And you can add the YouTube video to the original blog post on your website, adding a link to your website in the YouTube description box, all of which is excellent SEO strategy. Now, people may not be reading blog posts anymore. Certainly not as much as they are watching video, right? But this adds to your displayed expertise, right? Your authority in your field, which is super attractive to your prospects and super attractive to the Google algorithms. Now, this process of making 3 great marketing videos makes making your next set of videos easier. Along the way, you're probably going to discover that there's other posts that you can lean on a little bit and pull content from, and undoubtedly you're going to get some fresh inspiration. Now remember though, your videos do not need to be perfect. They just need to be real, right? Really you, and really useful or interesting or funny. So go have some fun, get it done. And if you'd like some more simple video marketing tips like this, please join us on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.